Today we are doing a grid in CSS and stacking it if the screen size is 1024 pixels or lower. I've got my grid layout here, which is going to be set up as div class pre-grid, and then each item in the grid will be a pre-grid item. Now we want to add a grid to these items. So our pre-grid is the wrap, and we want to put them in a CSS grid. So the way this grid works is display grid, and then we go grid template columns and say how much of the screen we want them to use. These are all using 25% with a gap of 20%. So I think a better way of doing this is go 24% and then a 1% gap. To set these to stack on, say, a mobile, we tell it to display instead of grid, we want it to display as a block instead of a grid. So back to its default display. If we reload this, we have it stacking.